Now your car is wrecked and you got to get it repaired. How does that process work?
Right. So there's some immediate things that you can think about, coverages that might be available. One is, a rental car or loss of use if you have some other vehicle available. But oftentimes the other driver, the person that caused the wreck, their coverage will be on the hook for you getting in a rental car for whatever period of time, usually up to 30 days, until your vehicle is able to get into the shop or able to be evaluated as a total loss. Usually that coverage cuts off at the moment the insurance company provides you a check for a total loss, but up until then, the time is running on the value of a rental or a rental car itself. Now, when you go to the shop, you have your own choice about where you take your vehicle to be repaired. And there are differences in these shops. There's some shops that work directly with insurance companies that have insurance adjusters that have desks at the shop, and they're writing reports on these vehicles at all times. And, suddenly the amount of repair that your vehicle needs is much less than any other shop in the state would think it should be. Also, the parts that they might try to use on your vehicle might be parts that they purchased on eBay. Who knows what the source of those parts is. But there is guidance that says, those original manufacturer equipment parts, OME, that those parts are what you are able to use. That's the price, that's the work that this insurance company is going to be held to. Now, it might be that means your car is totaled because it is more expensive to repair the right way. But, for the types of damage that is done in an accident and damage to wheel wells, damage to wheels, to suspensions, it might be just as well. The safety of you and your loved ones and having a repair done right is something that's important and something you should ask for in the repair process.